Welcome back everyone to the Defender 110 pickup rebuild.
We've had great fun trying to get into the Landy, then trying to defrost the lock off the pedals to get it started and moved so that we can crack on with some more stuff today. So a little walk around of it, all frosty for you. Do love it in the frost. We have some progress. We've got the roof lining out, cleaned, drying and almost ready to go in. We've cleaned up the seats. The other seats are over in there or in here.
Started fitting the rears.
I didn't realise you'd started this. Well done.
But I didn't know which side they went. I didn't know how they went in. So we're getting there. So basically, if you look under here, there's one bracket for these ones. And then the ones for here are missing.
Ah.
So I've got to go on the wild goose chase of trying to find them. But didn't realise how much space we have underneath.
No, not at all.
And that we don't have any carpet that goes here.
I said we didn't have any carpet in the back.
I don't know if it's meant to have carpet there or sound deadening or something.
I think it's supposed to have something. I don't know what, but I think it should have something. It's definitely getting something, put it that way.
Oh.
I don't like the metal floors. I'm sorry.
But yeah, so apart from they're not bolted in, they're in place.
Do they need to be bolted in?
Yeah, I think the MOT tester will get a bit upset if they're not.
True, very true. And we've got some rubber matting in the front as well. It's a bit chaotic over there. I'm not quite sure what to say with that one. And then we've got the other bits of roof lining, all of the little trims all cleaned up and ready.
Some painted brackets.
Oh, some painted brackets. Thought you had to go and hunt for them.
I was that quick. I had already painted them.
Oh, some people might say you're Batman.
Really?
In this episode, the windscreens are officially winning. After trying and failing to fit our second windscreen, we managed to break it. Not quite the result we were hoping for, but that's the reality of rebuilding a classic, I guess. Fitting a windscreen can be tricky. Always check the seal and the glass for the correct fit. Use plenty of soapy water and lubricant and be as gentle as possible. If it doesn't want to go, don't force it. Something we learned the hard way today. Despite the windscreen setback, we made great progress reinstalling the interior and roof lining. Getting these pieces back in place feels like a major milestone in this rebuild. Quick tip. When reinstalling interiors, label all your screws and clips beforehand. It saves time and avoids unnecessary frustration during reassembly. Something that wasn't done for most of the bits that went into this Landy. Did you know that the Defender 110 interior was originally built for function over luxury, with a focus on durability and practicality? Early models featured washable vinyl seats and rubber flooring, perfect for off-road adventures. Unlike modern SUVs, the classic Defenders feature a minimalist dashboard with basic switches and dials, built for off-road reliability rather than high-tech complexity. Or in our case, it just came with no dashboard fitted at all and no guarantee of all the parts being there. It's amazing to think that these vehicles were born from a surplus of World War II materials. You know, they were designed in, 1947, simply using military aircraft leftovers. And would you believe that over 70% of all Land Rovers ever built are still on the roads today? I think that's a huge testament to their durability. One thing I really love about these cars is that no two Defenders are ever the same. Due to factory variations, aftermarket modifications and owner customizations, it's rare to find two identical classic Defenders. That's pretty unique.
This has not been a fun day. It is freezing. We've managed to dig out most of the outstanding parts that need to be fitted back in. Not that we have a clue where a fair few of them go. But we'll get round to the dash. I don't know when. But other than that, it's not looking too bad. Okay, we've taken the grill off and we've taken the bumper off. We've got the winch.
Yeah, that's only been taken off, so we get to the bumper.
Yep.
So swap onto the old one.
Yeah, so we can swap the bumper over to the winch bumper, which is over there with the grill. The progress that we have made today, which is quite a big step, is we've got the roof lining in. We've got the 3 seats across the front, and we've also got the bench seats in the back. We've got the interior light working. We've got all of the rubbers under the seats and around the pedals, which is good.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.
Leave it there, I think. Dan, have you got anything else to add?
I hate Land Rover.
You hate Land Rovers. You don't mean that. You love Land Rovers, really. Yeah, we love some, really. You've always hated them. Then why did you buy them?
Because I actually quite like them as well. So it worked out.
It's a bit of a Marmite relationship. You know, love, hate.